thanks for coming back to another episode of Cars and Crafts. So today we're in the shop. A friend of ours let us borrow his shop, which is very nice of him, and it's finally a decent temperature, so we decided to take advantage of that and bring the truck in for some preventative maintenance. When we had the tires changed, we noticed that the front wheel bearing had a little bit of play and that the brakes were starting to get low. So it's time for a change. I'll show you everything that we're using, and yeah, so let's get started. Like, subscribe, and enjoy watching. Thanks. Alright, so these are the EBC brake setup that we have here. These are the rotors. So these are an upgrade from what we had before. They're for better braking while you're towing. They're specifically for that. And then the Timken hub assemblies over here. So shiny and new. But yeah, so let's get started and get this on there.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Cars and Crafts. We are in a beautiful garage a friend of ours let us use, and so we have another surprise. It's over here right behind me. You can see it's an '08 Dodge Ram 4500, and really excited about this one. It sat for a little while, so it needs some maintenance and a little bit more of a repairs on some of the rusty areas and just paint. But overall, it's a beautiful truck, and really excited to see how it turns out. Yeah, so I'll show you a little bit of a close-up, and yeah, so check it out. Obviously, she needs some work. We're gonna probably paint this, clean it up, paint it. We might try to take it off because it's pretty unnecessary for what we are going to be using it for. Also, for the rims and tires, we want it needs new tires for the front. The tires in the back are good, and then we want to clean these up, paint them, probably black, and then if you come around this way. The inside's actually pretty nice, except for that tear. But overall, it's a beautiful truck. It's an '08 Ram 4500, stepping up. So the bed, again, needs to be cleaned up and painted. But other than that, it's ready to rock and roll. We just, again, putting some parts on because it sat for a little while, and the gooseneck is ready to go as well. So really excited for how things are moving, and painting these bad boys too. And here is our new gooseneck B&W trailer hitch for the 2500. We're gonna have that installed here, and yeah, pretty excited. Alright everyone, that concludes this one. Thank you again so much for watching, And I know it's a little all over the place, but we're just trying to do as much as we can to keep moving forward, to get back on the road and get back to hauling cars again. So, excuse me. Yeah, thank you so much for following us on our journey, and just like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day.